from Chittagong, Huzur, somebody has sent this question. So what should be the ideal food for breakfast?
For breakfast?
Yeah.
Different people consider different ideal foods. Some eat semia regularly and they think that it softens the intestines and takes away the roughness of lack of water. Some people eat dahi, and in Bangladesh I think they could eat mitha dahi. It is quite popular there. So that is also good food. I also used to take dahi, which was sweet in the sense that it was frozen before it solidified, and then there was no sourness left. So Hazrat Imam Sahib's wife used to make it for me. So I don't know whether this year I'll have dahi or not, but that's also a good food to begin your roza with. And otherwise, just the normal food, whatever is available. Particularly the poor people cannot make choices. Whatever they find to fill their belly, they do it. You know, the best device is to put the dahi in fridge before it is solidified. It is still soft. So then it will never become sour.